Hey guys, on to 04, and I'm going to do a review, install, and first impressions on these TractionGrips. Made in the USA, TractionGrips.com, and some instructions. So we'll go over that. It says to clean all areas with hot water and a drop of dish soap, thoroughly dry, remove the backing, and you start to kind of position it onto the gun. So high level, I got gray just because I wanted to try it out. It's always removable, but it's kind of a nice texture. It's not like sandpaper, but it is flexible. And I do like the traction. It adds a nice thickness to it. I don't know how thick it is, but who knows. But long story short, it sits like this. And then this little oval piece goes in the back right here. So what are you going to need to complete this task? I'm going to go with alcohol to remove all oil, finger oil, and have a clean surface on the gun. Some type of cotton material to wipe your gun down, and I'm going with a heat gun instead of a hair dryer. So let's get that up and running. Splash some on there like so, and start to clean your gun. Anywhere that tape is going to hit. You just want to break down all that hand oil just so it has a nice place to adhere to. Clean surface is best. And maybe a little more. So let's let that dry, and I'll be back in a sec. Alright, now that you're done with the alcohol portion, or the cleaning portion, just do a quick Fitment dry run, I guess, to see, alright, where's this adhesive and the grip gonna line up. Alright, so it's kind of lining up with the top line up here, and the back strap line down here. So forth. So just kind of get a feel for where it's supposed to sit, and then from that point on you can proceed to the next step, which is to remove this tape and kind of place it on one side based on what you just saw. And then you have to heat up the tape so it becomes a little bit more moldable and flexible, and then it'll stick into the grooves a lot better. So hang tight. Alright, so I'm going to remove this tape. Avoid at all costs in touching this sticky substance, only because it could ruin the adhesion, so just be careful, guys. It is not easy, so I'm going to use my fingernails. Kind of a interesting looking substance. Then chuck that. So I already made a little boo-boo right there, but it should be okay. I'm going to try lining it up based on what I remember placing this earlier. So along this line and along the top line. And then drape it over the front. And positioning this on the other side as best as you can. Like so. So now it's just sitting on there without pressure. That's important. Alright, next step is going to be the heat gun. So I'm going to take this and heat this up for a few moments and see how it turns out. And then as I heat it up, I'm going to start molding this traction tape into the finger grooves and then pushing it down thoroughly so I don't miss any spots. So hang tight. Wait till it gets nice and warm. Okay, let's mold it on here and see what happens. You can see the stipplings kind of pop up. I don't know if you can see that, but it is kind of you can see that little groove right there. Just I'll heat it up again and then push it down a little more as soon as I get this up to speed. Grab it nice, kind of make a good grip on it. Already this is like extremely grippy, so that's kind of cool. Let me heat it up again, so hang tight. Okay. I don't want to burn myself, I am being careful. Alright, so it's cooled down. Now I'm gonna go do a thorough job again, top to bottom. Pretty damn hot. Wow, that thing is sweet. It's got some insane grip. It's got a nice little bump to it, so you feel like you're getting a nice purchase on the gun. I'll do this little piece now too. I'm going to clean it again since I've been grabbing it so much, so hang tight. We'll oval dot. Put it back here. Remove the backing. Sorry, it's not on camera. Everyone knows how to peel stuff off a sticker, right? Alright. Me recording, it's not going to be easy, so I might go out of frame, who knows. Bear with me, guys. You don't have to see this, you'll just have to trust me. Alright, so I placed it on there. I'm hoping that's in the center. Let me just look at it from a top view. Alright, so now I'm going to heat that sucker up. Wait for a second for it to cool down. Nice, and it's cooking. Press that down. Push that down nicely. It says right at the bottom, allow it for it to cure for 24 hours. Avoid using harsh solvents where the tape is stuck to, or the traction tape is stuck to, and use common sense. So stuff is, I mean, you can clean the polymer. I really don't clean it. I just clean the rails with like a rag and drag on top, and that's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that install video, and that's kind of the whole process of installing traction grips. Get yours at where is this? Let's see, TractionGrips.com. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Until next time.